Welcome to the Right Choice channel. Today, we'll be examining the best window cleaning robots. Prepare for an insightful exploration where I will uncover their exceptional qualities and distinguishing features. Let's delve into the details. Mamibot W120-F. This little gem is here to revolutionize the way you clean your windows. With its compact design and versatile cleaning modes, it's like having a professional window cleaner right in your living room. The three cleaning modes, wet, dry and auto, let you tackle different types of dirt and grime effortlessly. The wet mode is particularly nifty as it uses a water tank to spray the windows, ensuring a deeper clean. Now let's talk turkey. While the W120-F does a bang-up job on regular cleaning tasks, it's not cut out for heavily stained windows that require some serious elbow grease. You might still need to do a bit of manual pre-treatment for those tougher spots. Compared to other robots in the race, the W120-F stands out with its ability to clean multiple types of surfaces, including windows, walls, and even bathroom glass. Not many window cleaners offer such versatility. Plus, its intelligent path planning and pressure sensors prevent it from taking a tumble out on your high-rise apartment or getting stuck on window frames. In summary, if you're someone who dreads the tedious chore of window cleaning, the Mamibot W120-F could be your new best friend. It's especially great for anyone living in an apartment with hard-to-reach windows, or someone who just wants to keep their glass surfaces looking spick and span with minimal fuss. Eager to know the latest prices of these models? Dive into the video description. I've included handy Amazon links for every model I discussed. Feel free to click through while I continue with the review. The Ecovacs Winbot W1 Pro is quite the gadget for keeping your windows spotless. It stands out with its powerful suction capacity of 2,800 PA, ensuring it stays firmly attached to your windows during the cleaning session. This little powerhouse offers three cleaning modes, fast, deep, and spot, which you can tailor to the level of grime you're dealing with. On the flip side, while it's effective at banishing smudges and grime, it struggles with getting right into the edges and isn't suited for windows with pronounced frames or curvature. It's also a bit on the noisy side, sounding much like a full-strength vacuum cleaner, which could be a bit of a drawback if you're sensitive to noise. Where the Winbot W1 Pro really sets itself apart is in its intelligent cleaning features. It employs a WinSlam 3.0 path planning system, allowing it to navigate and clean systematically with little oversight. It also boasts edge detection technology to handle frameless windows confidently, adding a layer of convenience and safety. In a nutshell, the Winbot W1 Pro is ideal if you're after a high-tech helper to take over the mundane task of window cleaning, especially if you're dealing with large, flat glass surfaces. It's a solid choice for anyone looking to reduce the frequency and effort of window cleaning, although you might want to check your window types against its compatibilities first. Don't miss out. Be sure to tap that like button and hit subscribe to stay in the loop with all my latest videos. Your support means the world to me. The Hutt W8 window cleaning robot is quite the assistant for keeping your windows crystal clear. It boasts a robust suction power of 3,800 PA, ensuring it remains securely attached to the glass during its cleaning cycle. What's more, it offers a dual water spray system that can handle both wet and dry cleaning methods, making it adaptable to various cleaning needs. However, it's worth noting that while the Hutt W8 is highly effective, its operation isn't the quietest. It might not be the best choice if you're particularly sensitive to noise during its cleaning process. In comparison to other window cleaning robots, the Hutt W8 is particularly strong in high-rise window cleaning, thanks to its triple anti-falling protection, including laser sensors and a safety rope. This makes it a safe option for those needing to clean windows located at significant heights. In conclusion, the Hutt W8 is an excellent choice for those who need a versatile and powerful window cleaning solution. Its ability to adapt to different window sizes and dirt levels makes it a standout option, particularly for those with larger homes or more complex window layouts. The Hobot 2S is a nifty little gadget that takes the chore out of window cleaning. Equipped with dual ultrasonic water sprays, it effortlessly sprays a fine mist that dissolves dirt and polishes your windows without streaks. Its design allows it to stick to the window with a strong vacuum force, which is especially handy for cleaning high and hard to reach windows safely from the ground. However, every rose has its thorn, and the Hobot 2S is no exception. One significant downside is the time it takes to clean compared to manual methods. Additionally, its inability to handle non-rectangular or beveled frames might limit its use in some homes. Compared to other window cleaning robots, the Hobot 2S shines with its high-frequency ultrasound technology and multi-surface functionality. This makes it not just good for windows, but also for bathroom mirrors and other glass surfaces. Its standout feature is the powerful suction and safety mechanisms that prevent the kind of accidents that are common with lesser models. In conclusion, if you're tired of the tedious task of window cleaning and want a gadget that can take over this chore with a touch of a button, the Hobot 2S might just be what you need. It is ideal for busy individuals or those who find window cleaning a challenging task. Just set it up and let it do its thing while you enjoy your weekend. Ecovacs Winbot W1 Omni is a cutting-edge window cleaning robot designed to tackle just about any window you can throw at it. This device comes with a multifunctional docking station that not only charges the robot, but also acts as a storage unit for the cleaning tools and safety cable. The Winbot W1 Omni can be used on a variety of windows, from floor-to-ceiling glass to smaller paned windows, and even frameless or angled windows. The standout feature of the Winbot W1 Omni is innovative cleaning capabilities. It boasts a 3-nozzle wide-angled spray that works alongside a wet mop feature, ensuring a thorough clean across all surfaces. Additionally, its advanced WinSlam 4.0 technology enhances navigation, allowing it to increase cleaning efficiency by 30%, while the smart system prevents slipping and ensures stable adherence to the cleaning surface. On the downside, while the Winbot W1 Omni excels at cleaning, it cannot charge and clean simultaneously, which might be a minor inconvenience. Furthermore, its obstacle detection system, although generally reliable, is not without errors. What sets the Winbot W1 Omni apart from other window cleaning robots is its ability to handle diverse window types and sizes with its versatile cleaning modes and robust safety features. It also includes a 12-stage protection system, offering both hardware-based fail protections and intelligent fall protection, which secures the device against accidental drops. In summary, the Winbot W1 Omni is ideal for anyone looking for a sophisticated all-in-one solution for maintaining clean windows without the hassle of manual work. Its comprehensive design and robust cleaning technology make it a standout choice for maintaining spotless windows with minimal effort. As we wrap up, don't forget that you can find links to all the mods I talked about in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to keep up with future content. And remember, I love hearing from you, so feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, happy exploring.